How to make video in Canva. So when you're on canva.com here, you want to go ahead and click on video. It should be in the middle of the screen where it says you might want to try. Once you've clicked into this section here, you've got a bunch of templates and things on the left hand side. You can go on your uploads as well. You can do elements. So let's say you want to do a video of like your phone screen. So as in, you want to do like how-to video like I do on my channel. What you want to do is you can like make it like a background like this, and then you can click on uploads, click on upload files. Then you can go ahead and take one from your computer, and all you have to do is drag and drop, just like I did there, onto the page. You can edit the length down there, and also you can edit the audio at the top where you see the little microphone up there. Then you will be able to go ahead and size it as you wish. If you want to do a video like I do here, you just put it in like that. Then click on share in the top right hand corner. Click on download. You want to make sure it's an MP4 file in there. Then just click download and you're done. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.